Hello everyone and welcome back. Welcome to episode 3 of Traveling in Indonesia. In episode 1, we flew from Edmonton to Jakarta. In episode 2, we drove from Jakarta to Surabaya. And now in episode 3, we're going to be visiting one of the tourist attractions in this area called Selecta in Batu. So let's hop in the car for a 1 hour 21 minute drive and I'll see you later. Here we are, we're in Selecta. So let's head in and explore Selecta. After walking through a beautiful field of several types of flowers, now we're gonna head off to ride the sky bike. So let's go to the station and then board the sky bike. Here we are, we're on the sky bike. So it's like sort of like a roller coaster, but it's powered by your feet. Enjoy the ride. That was a really fun ride in the sky bike. We could see all the beautiful flowers. And now let's check out what else Selecta has to offer. Originally, we were going to check out the flying fox and several other attractions, but it seems like most of them are closed. But we were really able to enjoy all the views, the mountains over there, and the beautiful flowers. So it's definitely worth it coming. I had a really good time seeing the mountains and riding the sky bike with my dad. But now it's starting to rain a little bit, so I think we're going to head back. I think that's gonna be it for episode 3 of Traveling in Indonesia. Thanks for watching and see you next time in episode 4. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure to smash the subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any more videos that I make. So thanks for watching and see you on the next episode of Traveling in Indonesia.